Hi, Bob. Where's your head? Oh, it's in my lap, Joe. I can't keep from laughing, Joe. Put your head. You're so barnacly stupid. You're so stupid. Did you just call me that? No. Hey, Joe. In the meantime, look in the sky. There's a meteor coming. Cameraman is Travis. Meteor thrower is Keenan. People who made the sound voices. Me. The person who... Well, Harris is gonna throw this big rock. And I'm like, Harris is gonna throw a rock like that big, and if he missed, this wouldn't be very pleasant, would it? Would it?